Good morning, students. The last class we started the topic Indus civilization. Before we know the Harappan Mohenjo-daro people's lifestyles, street and houses, they followed the drainage system and they used the burn bricks to build the buildings. And the next we going to see about the same topic, related topic, the Great Path Mohenjo-daro. You see this picture? The Great Path was a large rectangle tank in a courtyard. It may be the earliest example of a waterproof structure. And the next, the bath was lined with bricks coated with plaster and made watertight using layers of natural bitumen. This is the granary. Yeah, the great granary Harappa. What is the granary? The granary was a massive building with a solid brick foundation. Granaries were used to store wood food grain. They used to the safe food grains. This is the assembly hall. The assembly hall was another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was a multi-pillared hall. That means 20 pillars in 4 rows to support the roof. You imagine how was the building is big one. Next, trade and transport. You know, the Harappas were great traders. They used carts with spokeless solid wheels. And the next, leader in Mohenjo-daro. This is the sculpture of the Mohenjo-daro leader. A sculpture of a cedar male has been unearthed in a building with a headband on the forehead and a smaller ornament in the right upper arm. See this picture? What is this? Like in a small stones. Yes. In this topic is technology. Indus people had developed a system of standardized weights and measures. They used it to the weights measurement. Ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat in 1704 mm. The smallest division ever recorded on a scale of other contemporary civilizations. This is the statue of Mohenjo-daro. This little statue was found at Mohenjo-daro when John Marshall saw the statue known as the dancing girl. He said, "When I first saw them, I found it difficult to believe that they were prehistoric modeling, such as this was unknown in the ancient worlds up to the age of Greece. I thought that these figures had found their way into the levels some 3,000 years old to which they properly belong." The next, do you know the hidden treasures of the Hindu civilization? The first one is the apparel. Cotton fabrics were in common use. And the next, clay, spindles, unearthed suggest that yarn was spun. And the next, wool was also used. The next for the ornaments. Ornaments were popular among men and women. They adorned themselves with necklaces, armlets, bangles, finger rings, ear studs, and anklets. Horse and iron were unknown to the people of Indus. The next, copper was the first metal discovered and used by humans. Okay children, today we completed this topic. In the next class we started with a new topic. Okay, now let's recall what are the things we learned about in this topic in the starting onwards. The first one, when man began to live in a city life, it marked the town of civilization. And the next, river valleys were responsible for the growth of civilization. And the next one, Harappan culture was mainly urban in nature. And the next one, cities were well planned with covered drainage and straight wide roads cutting each other at right angles. Okay, the next we're going to see about the next class. Okay, thank you.